Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me BROTHER MFC printer, and now I'm going to show you how to fix network issues on this device. So the first thing you should do to check network to fix network issues is just change the printer's date and time to real, to accurate one. For example, in my case, today is Monday, 30 December, 1407. So let's change it. Open settings, find initial setup, date and time, change date. Year is 24 in my case, month 12, day 30, and time in my case is 14, now 08. Okay, and now you can try to reconnect to the network when your date and time is accurate, so you can use your web services. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.